channel Coding with Ravi Gupta, and today we're going to see Leetcode daily question evaluate Boolean binary tree. Just a disclaimer: if you find the video slow, switch to 1.5x, and please like the video. I am recording it again. Last time there was some audio issue, so let's start. You will be provided a full binary tree. Full binary tree means either the leaf node will have either it will be a leaf node or will we have left and right no, nodes. There will be no node that have only left and no right. So this is there. When there will be only true, false, or an end. Only four things will be there in the nodes. So what we have to do, let's see in the example. So first of all, what will be that the terminology is used? 2, 1, 3 here. What is thing? For true, 1 will be written. For false, 0 will be there. 2 means or and 3 means and. What you have to do? So here, what does it mean? False and true. So 1 and 0. It is 0. So this whole will become false. Now true or false. So 1 or 0. It is 1. So this whole will become true. So this thing is there. In the second example is like this. So only 0 is there. So basically only one node is there and that contains 0. You have to return false. No and or is there. So this was the second example. So what we have to do is to calculate the value of binary tree as in where values are also binary kind of. So let's see. So it is a very easy question. What you have to do, you have to see like whether the node is leaf node or non-leaf. So if it's leaf, just return the value like we see above. If it's leaf, true or false, just return it. If it's non-leaf, you have to check whether it's so if it's a non-leaf, you have to traverse left. So you have to left traverse till leaf. You have to right traverse, and when it after keep traversing, you will reach a leaf node, and then you have to check and return. So these are the easy steps, and let's see the code of this. So it will be very easy question. So what is given? So what we did, we firstly we saw the edge case. So if it's 0 is given, we will just return false. Now otherwise we will go to the solve function to use the recursion. So what are we doing? If it's a here null root and right are null, so it's for leaf node. So if leaf node is there, what we will do? If it's 1, you will return true. If it's false, you will return false. 1 means true here, as we discussed the terminology. 4 means 2 and means 3, true means 1 and false is 0. So this is there. Now otherwise what we saw, if it's not leaf, we will traverse left right. So the same is going on here. We traversed left and right using the recursion. We traversed left, we traversed right. Now we are checking the conditions. Like I return here if leaf, traverse till leaf and then check and return. So what are we doing? So after returning what we saw, if both are true and the value is 2 means or. So if both are true and you have to or them, it will be true. If both are true and is there, then it is also true. Now in the below four cases, what is there? Uh, if left is false, right is true, and two or for three it is and. So it will be true. As for or condition, one of them is false. For and it will be false. As for and we need all both the values to be true. Same goes here. It is or, it is and one of them is false. This time right is false, so it will be true, and this is false, and else we are returning false. So this is the simple case. So we just what are we doing? If it's apart from the edge case, what we are doing? We are checking if it's a root node. If it is a root node, we will return. Else, if it's a value like and, we are at this position. Then we will check traverse left. We will be traversing. If we are at this position, we will traverse left. We will traverse right. Check the value based on and or, and we will return it. So this was the question. This was the code. Let's run it in the lead code. So let's run. That's the same code. The function left, right, and the edge case, and the lead code is taking time. So um, let's connect to a different network. If it's working. Mm, network error is coming. So just you can skip the video with 5-7 seconds. So we are connected. Let's run it again. I've already recorded the video twice, so we don't want to run again. So all the test cases are accepted. Let's submit it fast. And yeah, all the test cases are also passed. So question is right. So now let's check the time and space complexity also without wasting any time. So what are we doing? Here we saw that we are traversing all the nodes only once. So if we are traversing only once, the time complexity is O of n. You can directly see we are traversing each of them twice. Like if in a array you are traversing twice, each element that is O of n square. So here in tree we are traversing only once, so O of n. Now talking about space complexity, using recursion we are reaching each element again. So tree or under recursion use stack. So space is also O of n. So time and space both are O of n. So this was this. Thank you so much and subscribe my channel.